Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the weekly brief with the Simpson team. And this week, I want to talk about interest rates. Look, if you're watching this, if you're shopping around for a rate or somebody you know is shopping around for a rate, I'm telling you right now, we're a broker, UWM, who's only brokers. You can only go through them through brokerage. I'm just telling you, they are buying the market for conventional FHA, VA. Their pricing is smoking. Direct lenders, banks, they're just crushing them. So if you're shopping, you should definitely check us out. Hit me up. Also, this week I want to talk about Helocs. We do have some Heloc products, but in another week or two, just giving you a heads up, if you need a Heloc, hopefully we're going to come out with a really good Heloc product where we can close it fast, simple, easy. So look out for that and on the rate sheet, hopefully by next week. The third topic, not article, is the market. Obviously, unless you guys are living under a rock or deep down in a forest, you know that the market has completely shifted. And so it is really, really becoming more and more of a buyer's market. So if you're a buyer that's pre-approved or you're looking to get pre-approved or you're waiting for something, it's a great time to get pre-approved. It's a great time to start looking around and get ready to start putting offers in. Look, you can offer less today because people are sitting on the market and you just don't know if somebody's going to take your offer. So what's happening is buyers are not having to remove contingencies. They're getting more time to close, and they're also getting crazy, basically, discounts on homes, and also they're getting seller credits towards closing costs, point buy down, and things like that. So anyways, till next week, if we can help you out, let us know. Thanks for watching.